Alright guys, it's John Deere GS 30 here. Ran out of gas and now it won't start or have a hard time starting. So what I'm going to do is find the carburetor there, spray some fuel in there, see if it gets get it going. All right. So it looks like there's a couple nuts that you need to remove before you access the carburetor there. All right, guys. We'll see if we get this going. So I pull this out, exposing that carburetor there using the 10mm socket there. So